In a quiet valley, a seasoned guide leads a small group through the forest, turning observation into practical instruction. They learn to identify edible plants, read animal tracks, purify water, and fashion shelters from branches and bark. Each lesson connects skill to safety, weather sense, navigation, and the ethics of leaving no trace. The classroom is the land itself, where curiosity becomes resilience and hesitation gives way to confident action. By dusk, the participants walk away with lifelong habits that no classroom can simply teach.